Hey there! The real chaos of running an e commerce store comes in once the customer places an order. Customers want to change their shipping addresses, add an item, swap a size, or cancel the order. And you are stuck managing thousands of these support tickets on your own. But what if you would give your customers the power to make these changes themselves without you lifting a finger? That's exactly what Zylo does. Zylo is a post purchase order reader for Shopify. It lets your customers edit their orders on their own within a time window that you can control and configure, and that helps you to cut down on support, save time, and even increase revenue. Let me show you how that works. So this is one of the demo stores that we have. Let's say as a customer you are purchasing this particular snowboard. You buy it over here. You fill out all of your customer details and everything, just shipping address and whatnot. You fill out the card details through here, right? And once the checkout is completed and the order is placed, this is where you see a thank you page, right? So Zylo, on the thank you page, Zylo installs their app block where customers can edit shipping address, edit their contact information, change quantities, cancel an order, even download the invoice, or even add to their existing order itself. Let me show you how each of these functionalities work. So let's say if I want to change my shipping address, what it will do is it will take me over here, and here this is where I can change my shipping address. Let's say I want to change my shipping address from some different state to some other state altogether. I can do that right within this particular UI that you see, right? And I can just click on update address, right? Once my address is updated, it takes a bit of time, and this is where you see the updated address over here, right? So it's as simple as it gets, where customers can edit their address. They can also edit their contact information. If let's say I want to add my phone number, I can just add it over here. I can even change the quantities. If I let's say I want to order two quantities of this particular item, I can just go over here and add few more quantities as how I want it to be, right? And I can just update the quantity over here. So this is one. Canceling the order, I can just do it from here. I can just select one of the regions which are configurable within the settings page, and I can just cancel my order from here. I can even add to my order, which helps me in increasing my average order value. This is where I can add relative or some complementary products to my order right from here. So I can just click on add product. I can select how many quantities of this item do I want, and I can just click on add to order over here. And this is how it would kind of show up in the UI, where it will ask you to pay for that order over here, right? So this is the remaining amount that I need to pay, and it would get fulfilled by then. So this is how you can take let your customers take order actions on their own and do every single thing on a self-service basis. So yeah, that's from the customer standpoint. Now let me take you how you as a merchant are in full control of all of these actions that you see, right? So this is the homepage of Zylo. This is where you as merchant uh, get that option to install Zylo on checkout, right? So you can install Zylo on the thank you page, and you also need to install Zylo on the order status page. Let us see how can we install it on the thank you page over here. So this is where it takes you to the thank you page, and this is where in the order details section of it, you can add an app block which is for Zylo, right? So you can just choose Zylo here and add an app block, and add Zylo's app block as you can see over here. So as simple as it gets, you just have to add this app block and it gets populated over here. Similarly, same goes for the order status page. You have to go to the order status page, add the app block over here from here, and just select Zylo as one of your app blocks here. So this is how you can just keep on adding ad blocks to the thank you page and the order status page. Now let me take you to some of the other configuration options. This is where you can select what kind of updates the customers can make. Whether do you want to allow them updates to shipping address, updates to change product quantities, cancel the order, add products to order, and edit email address and the phone number as well. So this is where you can set that limitations. You as merchant can also set limitations on or restrictions on certain orders where you do not want the customers to be able to modify these orders. You can do it based on order tags. So let's say if the order has a tag of priority or something special, you can say that, hey, if the tag for that order is special, do not allow modifications to those particular orders. You can do that based on the order tags as well as based on the product tags as well. So this is what can be done on order modifications. In order actions, you can define the time window till when you want to allow customers to make changes to their order. It can be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 3 hours, 6 hours, 24 hours, or it is until the order is fulfilled as well. So you can keep those changes over here. You can provide refund options as well to the customers. Right now only direct refunds is supported, but we are soon going to add store credit refunds as well for this. So yeah, this is all that you can do at the moment, and yeah, that's all that I have to say for today. All right, thank you.